So while so many of us enjoyed the snow from the warmth of our homes, others still just had to go to work and get out in it. And for those who work outside, it was a tough morning.
NBC Connecticut's Amanda Pitts caught up with some workers, including a busy postal carrier. She's live now in Waterbury with more. And Amanda, listen, we know even the snow can't stop the mail from being delivered.
That's right, and it was a tough one for them today here in Waterbury because this area was one of the areas on the higher end of our snow totals. Our chief meteorologist saying that 11 inches fell on the city today, and you can see our trusty measuring stick here reading 8 inches here at the Waterbury Green now that the snow is starting to melt a bit. But again, it was a tough one for those who have to work outside.
Thankfully, the people are shoveling.
Clear paths make for happy postal carriers, says Tom Huria, who's been delivering the mail in downtown Waterbury for nearly 40 years.
After a while, they always refer to you, hey, mailman, and eventually they end up knowing your name.
Amid Monday's snowstorm, Huria still had to make his 600 delivery, then walk his daily 10 miles.
But I was looking like a snowman out here.
But at the rate at which the snow was piling up, he had to pass on some stops.
If there's no path for us, it's tough. If we're walking up those stairs and there's snow, there's ice, we slip, we break bones. If it's unsafe, tomorrow's another day.
He says those he sees on his route who also make a living outside have become like family.
You got Tommy Pelletier, you got John, Manny.
Tommy's job is to make sure city property is cleared of snow.
It's a hard job, but somebody's got to do it.
But he still has a bit more work to do until he can call it a day.
We got the first call at 4 o'clock this morning, and we don't go home until everything's cleared.
And while he hoped our storm tracker meteorologist would be wrong,
Ryan and Bob, you guys are right on the money.
he now hopes this will be the last of it.
I guess one snowstorm in the books before hopefully the end of the season is good. Plus, it's good for the kids.
Now, the mayor's office here in Waterbury tells me they have over 50 plows on the roads right now, clearing streets, clearing these downtown roads and secondary streets in your neighborhood. And once they clear those streets, they'll be moving to school parking lots to make sure all is clear for the kids tomorrow. Live in Waterbury, Amanda Pitts, NBC Connecticut News. Mike, back to you.